Just hear me out. You have 75% layout, you have knob, you have wireless connection, you have magnetic switches, you have mechanical switches, you have aluminum case, you have ball cage mechanism, and all of this just less than 200 bucks. But okay, for example, if I need to check what is inside, can I do it without a screwdriver? Yes, I can.